Welcome to nullompi, where we explore the extraordinary potential of the human mind and body. Today, we're diving into the topic of how to transform into a superhuman and erase your past of limiting beliefs. Imagine a life where you are no longer held back by self-doubt, fear, or the limitations of your past. It's time to unlock your inner superhuman and unleash your full potential. But how do we achieve this transformation? It starts with reprogramming our minds and erasing the limiting beliefs that have been holding us back. We'll explore powerful visualization techniques, affirmations, and mindset shifts that will propel you towards your superhuman self. It's not about acquiring superpowers, but rather tapping into the incredible power that already resides within you. Join me on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment as we embark on the path to becoming superhuman. It's time to rewrite our stories, break free from the chains of our past, and step into a future filled with limitless possibilities. Are you ready to embrace your superhuman potential? Let's begin. Voiceover. Welcome back, future superheroes. After taking a brief respite, we are back on the path of enlightenment and self-growth. We've embarked on our journey towards self-discovery, an adventure that promises to yield immeasurable rewards. Now, let's venture further into the abyss of wisdom, seeking the key to unlock our superhuman potential. Firstly, we will delve into the mystical realm of visualization techniques. Visualization, in its simplest form, is a powerful mental tool that enables us to create an image, a detailed mental picture of our desired future. It is akin to painting a masterpiece on the canvas of our minds, where we are the artists and our aspiration is the muse. Now close your eyes and imagine yourself as the superhuman you aspire to be, equipped with all the mesmerizing abilities and formidable strengths you wish to possess. Picture the grandeur of your superhuman persona, the awe-inspiring aura that you radiate. The more vivid your vision, the stronger your belief in your potential becomes. It's akin to watching a movie where you're the hero. The more tangible, the more real it becomes in your psyche. Following the powerful venture into visualization, we proceed to the profound realm of affirmations. These are not mere words, but potent, positive statements that serve as our mental armor, helping us overcome the darkest of fears and self-sabotage. They work by replacing the shackles of negative thoughts with the wings of positive ones. You must start your day by declaring, "I am powerful, I am limitless, I am superhuman." Let these words echo in your subconscious, etching them into your reality. Remember, the words we speak to ourselves aren't just words, they are the seeds shape our reality, germinating into the flowers of our thoughts and actions. As we navigate deeper into our transformative journey, let's discuss the concept of mindset shifts. Our mindset is not just a viewpoint, it's the lens through which we perceive our reality. If we believe in our hearts and minds that we can become superhuman, then we will. It's all about shifting away from a fixed mindset, which believes abilities are set in stone, immovable and unchangeable. Instead, we must adopt a growth mindset, which advocates that abilities are not stagnant. They are like rivers, constantly evolving and capable of being developed. Lastly, we must lay emphasis on some pragmatic exercises and techniques. Start with elementary steps like daily meditation and physical exercise. These aren't just activities for passing time, they are catalysts for growth. They not only enhance our physical strength but also bolster our mental resilience, both of which are key to unlocking our superhuman potential. Remember to maintain patience and perseverance. The journey to becoming superhuman is not a sprint. It's a marathon, a process, not an event. It's about consistent efforts and dedication, not about momentary bursts of enthusiasm. Armed with these techniques, continue to practice and nourish your superhuman abilities. With time, you shall witness staggering transformations, a metamorphosis into your superhuman self. The journey has just begun, and there is much to explore and learn. So, keep your spirits high and your resolve strong. Stay tuned for more insights and exercises in our next scene. Voiceover. We've covered a lot of ground today, future superheroes, and I hope you're feeling inspired to start your superhuman journey. Remember, visualization and practical exercises are key tools to unlock your potential. You're not morphing into another person but enhancing your own self. It's a journey, not an endpoint. You hold the power to shape your reality, to exceed your expectations. Start today. Echo, "I am powerful, I am limitless, I am superhuman." And then, let your actions prove it. If this video was insightful, please like, subscribe, and share it. Stay tuned for more. Until then, keep striving, keep growing, and most importantly, keep believing in your superhuman potential.